In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make curve channel in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make basic shape with a rectangle. We can set the any size over there, and then we have to push it up with any height of this object. Then we can just triple click and make it group. And after that, we can use arc, 2-point arc. Then we can just click from the left corner to the right corner, and we can set the bulge something like this. Okay, and then we can select this curved line, and then we can offset inside with the thickness as we want. Maybe it's around 400 millimeter approximately, and then we can just use this line, and we can um, connect this curved line anyway. We can just connect it, and then we can connect it. Okay, and then we can delete this unnecessary object. Then we can just delete this extension line and delete this extend line, and then we can make a curvy line again in here. Then we can set any position as we want. We can set any position as we want, something like this. Then we can continue to make a curvy. Okay, something like this, and then we can select this curve line, and then we can just use follow me to complete it. Okay, it's done, something like this. And okay, it's done about curve if, and we can just make it all on one group, and then we can assign the material as we want. We can assign the material. We can assign the material with maybe with brick and cladding, and then we can choose the cladding stucco white, and then we can set the darkness. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you had got a lot of benefit from this, and wait for my next video. Thank you.